How to deactivate Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the drop down arrow shown beside your profile name at the top. And here, once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on your page name, and after that, you'll be prompted to your page section. Now, from here, once you are on the page section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. From here, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as access and control over your information. So here simply tap on it, and now here inside this section you'll see the option labeled as deactivate page. So simply select that, and after that just tap on continue button shown in the bottom of the screen. And now here, once you tap on that, Facebook will ask you for a reason. So here you can simply choose any option, and after that you can simply tap on continue. And after that you can simply tap on continue, and here on the next page you can simply download your information, but for now I'm gonna simply skip it by tapping on continue. And now here on the last page deactivation, you'll see the deactivate page button. So simply tap on it, and that's it. That's how you can deactivate Facebook page. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.